My name is Steve, and there's been a few questions about how to activate the Jake brakes on an automatic Freightliner Cascadia with a TT12 transmission. Engine brake is what's part of the engine. It's actually allowing a certain amount of compression to escape the chamber to slow down the truck instead of you using your brakes to slow, so you can save the pads and let the motor do the work to slow you down. To activate your Jake brakes, you're going to push the lever all the way down to the right, and then when you want to go to medium, you go up one. On low, you go up one more, and then to turn it off, you would go all the way to the top. And then the light on the left-hand side of the dash indicator will go off. And then when you turn it back on, you'll see another light indicator stating that it's back on. So this is another Freightliner Cascadia manual. We are going to show you how to activate a Jake brakes on this truck. So everybody I've seen has always gone to the dash and think that's how you turn it on. When it's actually, you go to the steering wheel on the right side, it will say engine brake. Once you turn it on, a light will indicate on the dash on the top left-hand corner, and then the light will illuminate on the button on the dash on the right side. The button is meant for going to high, medium, and low. And then when you want to turn the Jake brakes back off, again, you just hit the button, the light will go out. So high is if you want the brakes to aggressively stop the truck. Low, medium, again, that just lowers how much power you want it to decrease. And then low, on low, it's to allow very little for it to not aggressively stop you. And that's how you activate the Jake brakes on a manual Freightliner Cascadia.